Toilet bowl cleaners are a daily use category that blends chemistry, hygiene, and convenience. Consumers seek products that reliably disinfect, remove tough stains, prevent odors, and fit into their cleaning routines without harsh ingredients or cumbersome application. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 widely available cleaners across 3 brands, Lysol, Clorox, and Zep, to highlight how formula chemistry, bleach versus bleach-free, hydrogen peroxide versus acid-based, translates into real-world performance, scent.
Product number 1, Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel. This Lysol gel emphasizes a bleach-free hydrogen peroxide-based formulation that claims to kill 99.9% of bathroom bacteria and to power through tough stains with a thick, clinging gel. The angled bottle design is intended to improve reach around and under the rim, while the Ocean Fresh scent aims to balance efficacy with a pleasant, non-bleach fragrance. The 2-pack setup provides a low marginal cost per use and a steady supply for households. Performance-wise, the hydrogen peroxide base offers effective disinfection without the harshness of chlorine, which can be a critical factor for septic systems or odor sensitivity. In practice, the thick gel clings to vertical surfaces and delivers stain-removing action on rings and mineral deposits. However, real-world results depend on water hardness and contact time. The lack of explicit 99.9% odor elimination data beyond bacteria suggests strong sanitizing capability, but variable deodorizing performance depending on odor sources. The 24-ounce bottles in a pack of 2 offer good value for those replacing cleaners frequently, though the formulation specifics, for example, pH, exact hydrogen peroxide concentration, are not disclosed by the manufacturer.
Product number 2. Clorox Toilet Wand Toilet Bowl Cleaner, Toilet Brush. This is an all-in-one system from Clorox, comprising a long-handled wand, a caddy, and disposable scrubbing pads preloaded with cleaner. It markets convenience, reduced contact with waste, and 99.9% germ kill via preloaded disposable pads. The system aims to streamline cleaning from a distance and eliminates the need for separate liquid cleaners or brushes. Performance-wise, the disposable pods remove the step of handling a dirty brush and reduce cross-contamination. The cleaner is described as effective against hard water and lime stains and claims faster 2x stain removal versus traditional methods. The trade-off is recurring consumable cost, pads and refills, and waste generation. User experience benefits from minimal handling, a tidy storage solution, and a consistent cleaner application. But some users may prefer the control of liquid gels or dislike disposable pods that may not fit all toilet bowl shapes. The scent is listed as Rain, which may be appealing to some and less desirable to others, depending on sensitivity to fragrances.
Product number 3. Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner, 32 ounces, case of 4, ZUATBC324. Experience the ultimate cleaning power with our 2x thicker clinging formula. Zep presents a high-strength acidic gel, 10% acid, designed for aggressive stain removal, rust, and hard water deposits. The product emphasizes a thick gel with an angled neck to facilitate under-rim application and vertical surface cling. The case of 4 packaging targets professional or multi-bath households needing bulk supply with a focus on pro-grade power and a fresh fragrance. Performance-wise, the 10% acid formulation can rapidly dissolve mineral buildup and rust, delivering strong, fast results on stubborn stains. The thick gel adheres well to vertical surfaces and under-rim areas, reducing runoff and increasing dwell time.
Product number 4. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This Lysol Max Strength variant combines a bleach-free formula with a powerful clinging gel designed to disinfect and deodorize, aiming to neutralize odors at the source. The Atlantic Fresh plus Forest Rain scent combination attempts to create a refreshing bathroom environment while still delivering effective cleaning performance.
The 4-count package emphasizes consistent supply for households with multiple bathrooms or heavy usage. Performance-wise, the product claims 99.9% kill rate of bathroom viruses and bacteria as part of Lysol's disinfecting portfolio, with a 30-second disinfection claim. The 0% bleach formulation supports septic safety and reduces harsh chemical exposure. The gel's clinging properties help it stay in contact with deposits, aiding stain removal. The results will still rely on contact time and water hardness. Odor control is addressed through active disinfection and deodorizing claims, which is valuable for households sensitive to bathroom smells. The 4-pack offers good stocking frequency and price efficiency for larger homes.
Product number 5. Clorox Bleach Toilet Bowl Cleaner. A traditional 24-ounce bleach-based gel from Clorox offered in a bulk case of 12, focusing on cleansing, disinfecting, and deodorizing with the familiar efficacy of chlorine-based chemistry. The product is positioned as a dependable, high-volume option for households or facilities needing steady supply and familiar performance with a price-to-volume emphasis. Performance-wise, bleach-based formulas provide robust stain removal and bacteria kill, particularly effective against mineral deposits and tough discolorations. The case quantity reduces per-unit cost and is attractive for households with several bathrooms or small businesses. On the downside, chlorine bleach can be harsher on skin and surfaces, may produce stronger fumes during use, and requires adequate ventilation. Packaging dimensions and weight are non-trivial for bulk orders, and disposal of large quantities should consider local regulations and septic system compatibility.